In this video, I am going to discuss GCE O level 2019 Mathematics Paper 2 Part A, question number 2. This is related to the lesson graphs. This is the question. An incomplete table showing the y values corresponding to several x values of the quadratic function y equals x squared minus 2x within the interval minus 2 and plus 4 is given below. The x and y values are given. The first part of the question, find the value of y when x equals to 3. We will see how to find the value of y when x equals to 3. The function is y equals x squared minus 2x. When x equals 3, y equals, we substitute values. Instead of x, you have to put 3 here. 3 squared minus 2 into 3. Y equals 3. 3 squared is 9. Minus 2 into 3 is 6. Y equals 9 minus 6, 3. This is the answer. When x equals 3, y also equals to 3. The second part of the question. Using the standard system of axes and a suitable scale, draw the graph of the given quadratic function on a graph paper according to the above table of values. Okay, the x-axis positive part up to plus 4 and negative minus 2. Y-axis positive up to plus 8 and negative up to minus 1. Okay, then I'll take 10 small squares as 1 unit along the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then we will mark the x and y axis. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. X axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Y axis positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, negative minus 1. Now we will plot the points. When x equals minus 2, y equals plus 8. When x equals minus 1, y equals plus 3. X equals 0, y also equals to 0. x1, y minus 1. x2, y 0. x3, y values we found here. x3, y also 3. x4, y 8. Now we will connect the points. You have to smoothly connect the points like this. This is the graph. The third part of the question. Write the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. Okay, you know the graph start decreasing from this point up to here, and from this point onward it start increasing. Therefore, this is the turning point. This is also called the minimum value of the graph. Question asks the coordinates of the turning point. Remember, when writing the coordinate, you have to write the x coordinate first. Here x coordinate is plus 1 and y coordinate minus 1. Part 4. Express the given quadratic function in the form y equals x minus a whole thing squared plus b. Here a and b are two numbers. Here I will use the completing the square method. The function is y equals x squared minus 2x. We will rewrite the function like this: x squared minus 2x. You know the complete in the square method. You have to take the coefficient of this x part, that is minus 2, get the half of that. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1, and you have to take the square. Minus 1 squared is plus 1. When you are adding plus 1, you have to add minus 1 also to get cancel off. Then y equals, this part you have to take separately, x squared minus 2x plus 1. You know, if you factorize this part, the answer is x minus 1 squared. Factorizing this part only. Then minus 1. And then this is the quadratic function in the form of y equals x minus all things squared plus b. The next part, write the interval of values of x on which the function increases within the interval minus 1 and plus 3. Okay, we will draw the y equals minus 1 line, draw the broken lines, and then y equals plus 3. The question asks the values x on which the function increases. So you know function starts increasing from this point onwards within, the question asks within this interval -1 and +3. So I will highlight this part. Then you have to write the x values within this interval. What is the x values of this point? +1, but in the question 1 is not included, therefore x greater than +1 and less than. In the question say the 3 is included, therefore less than or equals to 3. Therefore the answer is x greater than 1 and less than or equals to 3. This is the end of the question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it, like it and subscribe my channel. For more tutorials, I'll see you in the next video.